All right, what's up? What's going on, guys? Yeah, I was looking at DJT. What a crazy move here. Looks like we're pricing in, could be pricing in a Republican win, I guess, with the polls, but crazy move here from the lows here of 11.75 up to $55 a share within, what is this, like a month? In 1 month? That's insane. That's insane. Hindsight is 2020. Hindsight is totally 2020. But yeah, this thing would have been a great bet. Would have been a great bet. And I say bet because this thing has no like actual fundamentals behind the company. The company is definitely not, worth where it's trading at. But it's going off the hype of the Republican Party in the polls. But let's see here. That was a good one. Bitcoin's also like creeping towards the highs here. So it's in an interesting spot. We're breaking this downtrend and the consolidation, creeping towards all-time highs. So is this the area where we just see a slow creep until 74 until we break out? I don't know, guys. That's a tough one. Yeah, DJT was just straight up. Yeah, it was absolutely. But yeah, Bitcoin here, like, doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad. Yeah, if something would happen and the stock would have gone to zero. I think even after the election, or if he loses the election, if Republicans lose the election, Democrats come up on top, DJT is definitely going down to the gutter. And I think even if they win, I think it's going to be, if Republicans do win, I think it's still going to be like a sell the news event. I don't assume this is just going to like go all the way, like just going to absolutely rip. I think there's going to be a lot of profit taking. So in either scenario, for me, in my opinion, I would not be holding into the election. I think either way, it's going to be a sell the news event. But I don't know. I'm not the one who's taking the trade. I'm not even in the trade. Otherwise, I could have been down here. I remember eyeing it at $12. I was like, ooh, it looks kind of good. I had it up here. I was like, thinking about it. I never pulled the trigger because I thought it was on a massive downtrend. The company's kind of not even worth anything, or not worth as much as it has no fundamentals, has no like actual solid, guidance as far as company goes. I thought we were just going to continue to sell off. Maybe we get a small little pop and then continue to sell off. But I was wrong. All right, so let's get into the small caps. What do we got here for the small caps? GLYC. It's our leading gapper here, 127%. North Sale, good morning. Peter, good morning. Cristobal, good morning. Cristobal says SGD pump. SGD pump. Where's my glasses? Yeah, we can take a look at SGD. Sync V, good morning. What's up? All right, GLYC. So do we have news on this? Let's see. GLYC trading higher. The company announced its merge with Crescent Biopharma and secured $200. $200? That's it? It's not $200 million, it's just $200. Secured $200 in funding. That ain't gonna do much. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it looks like that. Whoever put up this article did not put million in there. So it looks like Glycomimetics to merge with Crescent Biopharmaceutical secures $200 million funding to advance oncology pipeline. So, pretty good. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Not bad. Not bad. It is a penny stock. What's the float? BKYI ripping here. We'll have to take a look at that. Let's take a look at that. BKYI just started getting some crazy volume here. Looks like it has news. Not right now, but it was news maybe about an hour ago. They received a $900,000 order from a longtime financial services company or customer to upgrade its biometric customer identification technology. Okay, well, got a nice big order. So it's up on a nice big order here. What's the float on this? $2.84. So 2.8 million shares. Do have news coming in on the first pullback after a fresh breakout. Can we hold the dip and continue through 180? Can we hold the dip? Not a bad dip there. Maybe I should take a couple pre-market trades. Who knows? I mean, this was moving. Okay, so I had a decent move here at 7. From $1 up to $1.40. Pullback. Continuing quite a little bit higher. Not crazy momentum, but you know, gave some opportunity. There on BKYI. Daily chart. Curling up off the lows here. 200 EMAs at 245. So that could be a level of resistance. We did have some resistance here as well at 3. What was this? 322. Looks like that dip held up. Looks like that dip held up to 170, 180, 181. It says we popped up to 187, but I don't think so. I don't think that actually happened. I did not see that. So BKYI, not bad so far. I'll definitely be watching this one. So GLYC, this one was a penny stock, 50 cents, coming up off the low. Where's this high here? At 51. Did we already break that? So we double top there around 51. So if we can curl back up and break this 51 level, we do have some room in up to $1. So maybe GLYC too, maybe. TLYC, a float. Never mind. Float is 60 million. 60 million share float, just a bit too much. Unless we get massive volume. Even it is a penny stock, even though it's a penny stock, it's still a lot. Next stock here, LIXT. LIXT. This one from 140 up to 288, pulling back now to about 220. Yeah, LIXT. It's the third leading gapper here. LIXT. 2 million shares. 2 million shares here for the float on LIXT. Do we have news? Do not have news. So no news, at least that I can see, unless it was from after hours yesterday. No. It's like no news on this one. 2 million share float. Consolidating under VWAP. Kind of volume is inconsistent, not that high. It's worth to keep an eye on, but definitely not something I'm going to be watching at the open. Like right at the open for the open range. For the opening range trades, I do like BKYI. And Lucy would be the fourth leading gapper here. This one making a move here from 6 up to 13, pulling back to 965. So giving back a little more than 50% of its move, which isn't that good. Consolidating near the lows, a little bit of a double bottom here. Is this time, are we going to break down this support level? That wouldn't be good. Trading higher, the company announced the launch of Lucid Armor, its first ANSI certified smart safety glasses with integrated AI features for all-day industrial use, including ChatGPT access. ChatGPT access. So you just like talk into your glasses. Is that what that is? Talk into your glasses and start asking questions like Siri. I think this ChatGPT thing's a little bit overblown. I mean, I don't think that technology is like that crazy. It's pretty much just like typing into Google. It's just an upgraded version of Google. It's like, yeah, I ask a question. Like sometimes you ask questions into Google. We ask questions into Google. We've been doing that since it was first invented, and it gives us back results. Kind of what we've been doing. ChatGPT is a little bit more sophisticated, so that's why I say it's just an upgraded version of Google. I think it's a little bit overblown. So I mean, this company, like, you can tell, like, they're trying to hit these, like, ChatGPT access. I mean, it got the keywords in there: AI certified or AI features, ChatGPT. But I mean, what are the integrated AI features? Is it just ChatGPT access? I don't know. I'm reading into it a little bit more, but I mean, the chart doesn't look that good consolidating under VWAP. Volume is fading. Okay, so it's got ChatGPT X's auto tinting lenses, a walkie-talkie feature, a form factor similar to stylish sport wraparound glasses. Gain instant access to Siri. This is their AI-powered integration. Instant access to Siri, Google Voice, and ChatGPT for hands-free information. That's their AI. Yeah. Well, I don't think it's that good. What's the float? I mean, it does have news. I mean, who knows? This thing could just rip. It's a million share float. It's a million share float. This thing could just rip as well. But like, I don't believe in the company. I think it's just completely overblown there on Lucy. I mean, there's AI, there's real AI, and then there's just like this fake AI of like, oh yeah, we integrated ChatGPT into our product. We're officially an AI company. It's like, it's probably similar to like what people saw in the .com area where it's like, oh yeah, okay, we're on the internet. We're now a tech company because we have a .com address in 2000. But really, like, they're not really a tech company, and it's just like completely, they're just kind of riding the hype. So that's kind of what we're seeing now with like all these companies saying, oh yeah, we have ChatGPT access, so we're officially an AI company. But, and then you have real AI. Real AI is like, you know, Tesla, you know, with the taxis, robo-taxis, actual robots that can like do your dishes. Like that's real AI. Like that I consider that actual AI. Companies like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be watching. I mean, Lucy's curling up a little bit. I'll keep it on a side chart. Who knows? I'll be watching BKYI for the open range. Maybe Lucy can curl up, or GLYC, or LIXT can curl up as well. We'll see. So good luck. Follow your rules. No expectations for today. Just gonna, you know, do my thing. Just gonna do my thing. Manage my risk. You know, today's a day like any other. Like any other. So looks like BKYI is breaking below the support area, but we're still holding this previous high. So still in a decent area. I would want to see it hold up above 150. 150 at lowest. If we break 150, that psychological level is definitely going to be showing its weak. But we'll see at the open. Yeah, just going to get ready for the open here. Good luck. Coming to the end of the month, right? Coming to the end of the month. Maybe a few days left. Maybe a few days left. But things are starting to heat up a little bit. I definitely noticed things are starting to, like, you know, we're still on a nice hot stretch from drug, which is good. Hopefully this can continue throughout the winter up until at least the holidays. I want to at least the holidays. Usually it does get slower around the holidays. People are like on vacation, going with family and blah, blah, blah. So might be a lot less volume. Maybe like the day before, the day after holiday, or the week of the holidays. So hopefully this continues for the next month till Thanksgiving, and then we'll see. Between Thanksgiving and Christmas, there's like a wild card usually. At least what I remember. So good luck, and I'll catch you guys later. All right, peace.